I want you to think about the most badass thing you have ever done in your life and hold on to that thought.
Okay, all right.
Yo, I'm Christine Lozada and welcome to Everyday Badassery. This is a traveling podcast. I film it in all of the places I'm traveling to, and I'm bringing you stories, both my own and in awesome interviews with badass people to inspire you with stories to be just a little more badass today than you were yesterday. Sometimes think back to your badass moment. Sometimes it is those huge badass moments in our lives, but to have those, it often means you need a lot of little badass moments to lead up to that. And so this podcast is all about inspiring you to be just a little bit more badass. What's your 1% today versus yesterday? What are the stories that might inspire you to think a little bit more differently or inspire you to act a little bit more differently today than yesterday? I'm super excited to bring you into this series. Consider subscribing. It's everywhere podcasts are located, as well as a visual podcast on YouTube. And I will see you in the first adventure. Ciao.